Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add and duplicate overlay videos in CapCut PC. I'm just going to select a video. I'm just going to place it as the background, kind of, and I'm just going to use this as like the overlay. I think I'm just going to make this a little bit shorter, like this short. And I'm also going to make this smaller. You can go to the blend mode section and change the overlay mode. Okay, you can't even see that. Let me try to find another one. Okay, let's do this one. And then to duplicate it, I don't know why I said that weirdly. I'm just going to press Control C and Control V. You can also right click obviously and copy and paste it, but it's more efficient this way. And I'm just going to place it, for instance, up here. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!